Hey guys, I am actually really excited about this new tool. So if you like candied nuts, if you like popcorn, if you like pumpkin seeds, then this is what you want to have. This is our brand new electric pop and stir, and this is the base of it, and it has the nuts and off and pop. It plugs in, of course, but the cord can wrap on the bottom, which is really, really good. It has the lid, so that way when you're popping the popcorn, it pops in here. This comes off so that you can put the butter on there, and then when you're done, this is also the bowl you serve it in. Smart. But what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to put this together and then how to actually make candied nuts, which you will be in trouble because I've already made a batch and they're so good. So watch. So you have the plate. This is dishwasher safe. The pieces are dishwasher safe. This, of course, is not. And the bowl you want to hand wash. And so this is how you're going to put it together. So you have this nonstick plate. You put the bottom through the middle. You have, this is the arm that spins around. So you make sure that that is on here in the little notch. And then the hand, this is actually touching the bottom. And then you just screw this on. And so that is super simple. So that is on. You're gonna put that on here. And then, did I put this on there right? Yeah, there you go. Okay, so that is on. And all you do is you add your ingredients right onto the plate. So we're gonna be doing pecans, but you could do walnuts, you could do almonds, cashews, peanuts, whatever you like, but we are doing pecans. 1 cup, and then you're gonna add to that a 1/2 cup of sugar. And you just dump everything on together. You're going to add, and this comes with a little booklet, so you know exactly how to make, this side is how to make candied nuts, and this side is popcorn. And what I'll do is I will post underneath this in the comments, I will put the link to the blog that has all kinds of recipes for this. So for this one, we're going to be doing 2 tablespoons of water, and we're gonna be using, this is the easy read measuring spoons. And so this has teaspoon to tablespoon all in one, which I'm gonna use for this whole recipe, all of this. So you have 2 tablespoons of water, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, and I ran out of cinnamon, so I used cinnamon sticks. I ground them with the fine grater. And you guys, it is perfect. It smells way better than cinnamon. And so I'm excited that now I'm gonna be making my own cinnamon. So 1.5 teaspoons of our cinnamon. And I'm gonna do a little bit extra because I love the cinnamon flavor on these. If you guys ever go to the fair or go to, like whenever I go to Chicago, I always get those cinnamon nuts. They're so good. This tastes just like that. Okay, so I got that. And then we're also gonna be doing a teaspoon of vanilla. And that goes right on. And then it says a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I will salt this at the end again, but good. Okay, so that's it. So we're gonna put this right onto nuts, and that's it. It just stirs and stirs and stirs. And then when it actually has no more liquid and it looks kind of grainy, like the sugars have now adhered to the nuts, it's done. Dump it onto this is our mat, our baker's mat, but these are the candied nuts when they're done. Oh my gosh, they're so good. So I'll be doing this in fast mode so you guys can see it, and then I'll show you when we're done. So it is almost done. You can see how the liquid is actually getting thick and it's coating it. So it probably has a few more minutes, but you guys, you must have this. It is so exciting. I will actually come and show you guys how to make popcorn a little later, but ta-da! Homemade candied nuts. I'm just gonna dump them in just a moment, put them right onto the mat and let them cool. But you guys, this is so good. Okay, so electric pop and stir. I'll send the link so you guys can order this, or if you want to get this at a deep discount, I'll set up a link so you can share it with others to get tons for free. Or how about we do a party and we actually make this together. So let me know how you want to get this, but that's it. It is done. I'm going to turn it off. And then all I'm gonna do, and this is cool to the touch, you guys. So I just pull this off and then just dump this off. And that's it. And so now I'll just take that apart and put it in the dishwasher. Ta-da! All right, you guys. So I will answer any questions below, but this is the new electric pop and stir, and I hope you guys are excited about it.